Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys screen on problem how to solve. Means guys, as you can see guys, when I lock my phone and guys, when I take my phone front of my face, friends you can see when I put my phone guys, screen on automatic, friends you can see screen is off. So when I will take, friends you can see screen will on automatic off, and guys, it will on. So friends, how to solve guys, this problem in Oppo phone device? Friends, you also have this auto screen problem. So how to solve this auto screen problem in Oppo phone device today friends, I will show you, I will tell you. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So friends, now let's see how to solve this screen on problem in Oppo phone device. Friend, first of all we will on my phone setting. So by phone setting we will click here, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone device. So how to solve this problem? So first of all guys, you can solve your problem from your lock screen settings. So my home screen setting is here. So I scroll lock screen setting, and friends you can see guys your raise to wake setting is enabled. So you will have to only click here, your problem is solved. Friends, you can see guys, now we can use our phone without on screen. Friends, you can see screen will not on automatic guys. And friends, second method guys, again one more trend guys, you can solve this problem. First of all guys, we will on it. Friends, now you can see screen will on automatic. Friends, you can see my phone is here. When I will take, so screen will on automatic, off and on automatic. So how to solve? So friends, open your phone setting guys, search bar, and we will search here guys raise to wake setting guys. Raise to wake setting guys, you will have to search, and friends you can see this convention tool setting, click here and get the raise to wake setting is here guys, tap here to solve this problem. After solve guys, you can use your phone without on screen. Friends, you can see screen will not on automatic in Oppo phone device guys. So like that guys, we can solve guys auto screen problem in Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.